Hi, in this video I will show you how to play Beaks on mobile. So this is applicable for the Roblox iOS as well as the Android. First things first, head over to your App Store or Play Store and then search in here for Roblox. Now make sure to install Roblox right here and then from in there make sure to click on play. Now it should be able to open right here Roblox. So what you can do is you can click onto the search bar and search in here for Beaks. Now, once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here this. So click on it. Then after that, click on the display option that we can see right here. Now this will load and this will actually go over and then open the actual Beaks right there into a Roblox. So you can see in here what it will look like. We have in here the controls. We have in here the joystick to in order to help us run. We have in here to help us actually jump, and we also have a lot of things that we can do right here into our Beaks. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.